today's video is to talk to you about weight loss, specifically because this is something that is really hard to achieve. It is something that people do lots of weird things to achieve it, like crazy old diets. There are even diets where they just have to drink fluids and liquids. There are people who work out every day, and working out sometimes takes way too long for them to get results. So I'm here today to talk to you about something known as Mitolyn, which is a dietary supplement. It's aiming at enhancing your weight loss and just your overall health by improving your mitochondrial function, which is something that basically the process by which your cells convert nutrients into energy. So it's going to be fixing that up. And Mitolyn has a lot of great things it also brings to the table. Its formula includes lots of great natural ingredients. So if you would like to lose weight at like this really fast speed and in a totally natural way, then Mitolyn is actually something you should be trying. I left their official webpage in the description box of this video, so you can go there to purchase it. Everything you need to know about Mitolyn and more is right there as well, okay? But now, Mitolyn is something quite interesting. You see, it's going to enhance your mitochondrial function, targeting improved energy levels, metabolism, and anti-aging benefits as well. Now, its formulation is built around the purple peel exploit, leveraging the antioxidant-rich maqui berry. So the product includes 6 key natural ingredients that extend from rhodiola, theobroma cacao, amla, and astaxanthin, something like that, which is really hard to pronounce. So by targeting these multiple aspects of health, Mitolyn aims to create an optimal internal environment for weight management and just like your overall vitality, you know? Like Mitolyn's effectiveness stems from its focus on enhancing your mitochondrial function, which is crucial for cellular energy production and your metabolism. In other words, basically, this is going to help you transform the nutrients you're eating into energy and also increasing your metabolic rate so that you are melting down fats each and every day. Mitolyn is also fantastic for helping you to suppress your appetite. And, you know, this is something that lots of people struggle with because when you walk into a kitchen, you're just eating anything you find in front of you. And by suppressing your appetite, you can actually help your body out to start losing weight, you know, so it's fantastic. This holistic approach makes Mitolyn a comprehensive solution for anyone who is looking to manage their weight and improve their overall natural well-being, you know? So these ingredients, they have no side effects, they have no contraindications, they are totally natural. That's why Mitolyn today is such a strong option for anyone who's trying to lose weight, because let's focus, guys. Since it has all of these natural ingredients, they're going to help you to reduce oxidative stress, they're going to reduce your fatigue and give you more energy and more proactiveness. They're going to help you increase your metabolic rate. They're going to give you more endurance, more focus. So there's lots of great aspects to Mitolyn. Just take your treatment seriously. 1 capsule a day with a huge glass of water, and that is it, okay? But in case you don't like Mitolyn and it wasn't what you were expecting, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. Talk to customer service and they will help you with a refund, okay? So pop over to their official webpage right now to learn more about Mitolyn. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.